need the chip. I'm a 5-star flocker. She calling me daddy, but she know I'm not a father.
So how much is this going to affect the budget? Really consider this?
Nah, this is 450. The flies are free. That's on me, okay?
What even? I don't even know this rat. It's just a random picture. We're missing a rat.
A rat. I saw it yesterday.
Wait, really? Did it look like that?
It did look exactly like that. No, I don't think it was like, I think it was just a rat.
It wasn't that one?
It wasn't like a rat, it was just a rat.
Wait, you need to document this for my mum.
Your mum's rat.
Yeah.
Make sure it's in.
You could probably just grab one.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
They
yeah.
won't know the difference.
Nah, she will, because it's got pink ears.
Lie.
Missing orangutan.
Where's it missing from?
It's $8 if it's found.
Oh.
That's my backyard. Kind of just slow it. Have you seen my meerkat? Rodrigo, I'll find you. I'll find you.
Yeah, we're going to take that down now.
This is my number on there. Thank you. I'll just wait till you guys leave and... Have you guys seen this kid?
No.
It's my brother.
Oh, that's awful.
Where is he?
I've put together, I found like $450 to find him.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a joke, isn't it?
No. That's actually my brother. He looks like me, right?
Of course he does.
Okay, thank you. You see my brother? My brother. If you see him, can you... There's posters around, so if you see him, just let me know. That's him.
Excuse me, bro. Have you seen a meerkat around here anywhere?
No.
Oh, okay, all good, thanks.
Take.
Would you like to take this, or?
You can take it.
It's just a missing meerkat.
Nah.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Love you.
Thank you.
I'm just on the lookout for a meerkat. The only thing about the meerkat though is just, you know, we like have like a zoo and we're just trying to find them back. It's actually quite dangerous. Yeah, that's the only thing.
Lost my meerkat.
What?
I've lost my meerkat. Yeah. It's $4.99 if you find it. It's down there.
Okay.
His name's Rodrigo, so if you go, Roddy, then he comes to you.
Okay.
You go, Roddy.
So
Yeah.
how old?
He is 1 month and 22 years old. So if you go, Roddy, then he'll come to you.
He should be around here? He should
He should be around this area. Yeah. He's so handsome, look at him.
Yeah.
Bye.
Robin is head away.
I'll sit here. I lost my pet.
Hey, in New Zealand now.
Yeah.
Oh, we were all worried about the wallabies.
The wallabies, his name's Rodrigo, so if you go Roddy, then he'll come to you.
Where did you leave it?
Oh, just around here. Yeah, you might
Was he
find him by a
vicious,
tree.
though?
Nah, he won't bite you. Oh, he might give you a little like nibble. Yeah,
Alright,
this
what
is
do you
him.
want to do with this?
So-
Come on. What the fuck, man? I didn't even know we had these meerkats in New Zealand. What should I suggest you do is go on there's some bubble gum, the blue tick.
Blue tick.
You need that on the anchor.
Mm.
Stick it on their face, bro.
Really? You think
Yeah,
it
man, someone will see it.
Thank you.
So what's the reward?
$4.99. For
Well-
99 cents extra.
On the post down by the anchor.
Yeah.
Slap it on there. And someone will about to get it, and then you can go. And then if they find it, they can go to your house and get a steak and cheese fry and
Oh, yo. Yeah. Alright, laters.